Module 4 study guide, problems 3 and 4. What's the unit price for a piece of cheese if 1.24 pounds costs $11.25? There's a way that we can estimate that, but without estimating, it's $11.25 for every 1.24. So how much for 1? Simply divide by 1.24 on the top. And do the same thing, on the bottom, do the same thing on the top. Divide by 1.24, and you get 9.07. Answer number 1 is B. How we can estimate that is we know that 1.24 pounds is $11.25. If we're decreasing the number of pounds, this number is going to decrease. So obviously, this and this cannot be the answer. And A just is way too low. 11 cents per pound, that means 1 pound, or 1.24 pounds, would still be less than $1, and it's not, so A cannot be the answer either. Now 4, let's find our constant. So this is Y and this is X. Days are X, earnings are Y. So to find our constant, it's Y over X. So we need 225 over 6. And we know that that has to be our constant because in this first column, they all have the same X and the same Y. So 225 over 6 is 37.5. So our constant is 37.5. So we have 12. All of these are 12. So what is 12 times 30? Oops, we don't use the X anymore. 12 times 37.5. 12 times 37.5 is 450. So this one does not have 450, so B cannot be our answer. Now, for the last one, we have 18, 18, and 20, and 20. So unfortunately, we have to do them both. 18 times 37.5 is 675. Neither of these are 675. Oops, we already knew this, wasn't it? But that can't be the answer either. So now we're looking at 20. So what is 20 times 37.5? 20 times 37.5 gives us 750. So the answer, 750, which means that is not it, meaning our answer has to be